So put it on ACC position, then push forward quickly 2 times. So operate the rear wiper to return back, then one more time to service position, push forward the wiper switch quickly 2 times. So to return to original position, operate the wiper, it will come back. Then to put again to service position, push forward 2 times quickly. Now it is on service position. Now we can change it easily.